To start, the floor wasn't level, so we put down 3/4 inch plywood and self-leveling cement.
We got the pipe wrench for the standalone shower or tub, Roman fill, sharp bite there to the hot and the cold, cap those off, and then the plumbing for the bathroom drain.
Once we had the floor leveled, we put down the Schluter floor system, Ditra flooring, flanges for the tub plumbing and edging trim, all of which completely waterproofs the floor. We installed a zero threshold shower with a 48-inch linear drain, a corner ledge for shaving, and a prefabricated niche 20 inches by 12. In the toilet room, 2-inch hexagon tile and the walls with the classic 3x6 subway tile. On the floors, we did a 12 by 12 black porcelain slate. We used the dark gray Bostik Never Seal pre-mixed grout. For the corners and the edges of the tile, we used the Schluter trim profiles. It gives it a cleaner, bolder look. So we got the bathroom or the toilet room all tiled and the floor tiles in. Now I'm just getting ready to put the toilet in. Gonna put the toilet flange in first. We wanted to do custom shutters for this window, but after finding out the cost for construction and installation, we decided to find a cheaper and more effective way of doing the shutters and found a great design on Pinterest. I shared that design with you in constructing of it on another video. At this point of the project, we decided we wanted to make our own sliding barn doors.